Good evening, everyone. My name is Stryker. I'm with the Wayne County Office of Emergency Services, and I'm the Emergency Management Coordinator. So tonight I'm going to be reading Please Open This Book by Adam Learhout, and pictures are done by Matthew Forsyth. Hello. Finally, quick, someone turn on the light. You open the book. We're saved. We're saved. Do you know what happened? Someone closed this book. They just slammed it shut with us inside. Why would anyone close a book, especially a really good book like this one? You should leave it open. This is what happens when you close a book. And he's been in there for days. The worst part? They completely destroyed this perfectly good banana. We worked hard for that banana. We saw who did it. He looks just like this. Have you seen him? We're still fixing things from the last time. You should just leave this book open. Just put it down. Step away from the book. We can change the story. We'll write something with a hero and a heroine. You'll like it. It will be a good story. You'll want to leave it open. You turned another page. Don't you know what will happen? If you keep turning pages, you'll close the book. We'll be trapped again. You wouldn't do that to us, would you? We'll be good, promise. We'll give you the rest of this banana. There's still a little bit left. The other half was tasty. You could get stuck too. Did you think about that? Don't be this person. Don't be a book closer. Stop. Don't turn this page. You're almost at the end. If you go any further, we can't go with you. You turned it. Don't make the light go out. We aren't ready. One more page, and this book will be done. Will be closed. So that was Please Open This Book, and everybody have a good evening.